Hello guys, let's go on a jaw-dropping garden known as green. They're just sprouting because they are new plants. They're just sprouting, and once the rain hits it again, we'll have a full-blown growth of amaranth. On this part is also I cannot put plant indoors. This plant is hospital too far. That's what people call it. I planted it and I have been harvesting. You can see evidence for tomato. I'm dreaming of when I'll start harvesting and making nice salads. So I'm going to put some of the cabbages from the nursery over there. And right here, right here I have onions. Excuse my language. Right here I have onions in the soil. Water, leaves. I transplanted this onion. I'll be putting more. Planting more onions. I love onions. I love the flavor of onions in my dishes. In this garden tour and this vegetable garden layout, we have sweet potatoes. This whole area used to be sweet potatoes. I harvested lots of sweet potatoes from this area, but now we change it to other types of vegetables. This part is amaranth or green. It's a bed. We're waiting for the rain so that they will start growing. See, it's cloudy, looking like it's going to rain, but I don't know. I just wish it rains. The sun needs to hit so that my plants can be boosted. Let's hope so. So all over here I'll have lettuces. It's a vertical garden. I have space though, but I created more space by making some vertical garden or vertical structures so that I'll have my gardens growing into the air. That's lettuce. I allowed this lettuce from the last season, from just a few months ago in the dry season, to get mature. You see, it's bloomed and it's gonna form seeds. I planted lettuces on all these containers, but they didn't survive. I just had a few which I ate. They didn't survive because we had very poor temperature, very high temperatures, up to 42 degrees. It was very hot, so most of them died off, and I didn't have a greenhouse. I also prepared here and put amaranth or green, so I'm gonna have a lot of greens. On this portion is cucumbers and watermelon. Another problem with the root. Can someone suggest to me what I am supposed to use to stop this problem of the root rot, please? I need a fungal treatment. This part is peanuts, groundnut. It's already growing. Here are onions. Once